In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Hire Me button to your Behance profile, making it incredibly simple for clients and potential creative leads to reach out and know you're open for work. Whether you're a designer, artist, or creative professional, having this button prominently displayed on your profile can significantly increase your opportunities by allowing easier access for potential employers or clients. So, let's dive into how you can easily activate this feature on your account. First things first, you'll want to log into Behance and head straight to your profile page. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Once you're on your profile, take a look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Edit Availability. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to letting everyone know what kind of work you're open for, whether it's a full-time position or freelance work. Upon clicking Edit Availability, a menu will appear with a set of options. Here, you'll need to select the type of work that aligns with what you're currently seeking. You have two main options to choose from: full-time or freelance and project commissions. Select the one that fits your current professional goals. Making this selection is crucial because it'll transform your existing message button into a styled Hire Me or Hire Us button, making it instantly recognizable and inviting to anyone visiting your profile. With this button activated, when visitors come to your profile, they'll encounter several prompts when they click on Hire Me. They could be prompted with options such as full-time job inquiry, freelance/project inquiry, or start a conversation. Each of these actions sends a direct message to your Behance inbox, offering potential clients or employers an easy way to initiate discussions with you about possible job opportunities or projects. It's important to note that these inquiries are directed straight to your Behance inbox, so you'll want to keep an eye on that to ensure you don't miss out on any exciting opportunities. Consider checking your inbox regularly or setting up notifications so you can respond promptly to any incoming messages. Quick responses can often make a significant difference in securing a new client or job. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your Behance profile more engaging and open to new opportunities. With this Hire Me button in place, you've just increased your profile's potential to attract new work, making it easier for those interested in your talents to reach out directly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps enhance your professional visibility on Behance.